Istanbul Airport Transfer, everything you need to know. When traveling to Istanbul, one of the key things to consider is how you will get from the airport to your final destination. Istanbul has two major airports, Istanbul Airport and Sabiha Gokcen Airport, so it's important to plan your transfer accordingly. There are several options for airport transfer in Istanbul. You can take a taxi, use a shuttle service, or book a private transfer. Taxi services are readily available at both airports, but keep in mind that traffic in Istanbul can be heavy, especially during peak hours. If you prefer a more convenient and comfortable option, booking a private transfer is a great choice. This way, you can avoid waiting in long lines and ensure a smooth and hassle-free journey to your destination. No matter which option you choose, it's important to plan ahead and research the best transportation method for your needs. By being prepared, you can make your arrival in Istanbul a stress-free and enjoyable experience.